The Union Cabinet on 24th July approved a draft bill proposing stricter punishments for individuals involved in examination paper leaks and related offences, according to government sources. The proposed legislation aims to strengthen the legal framework against exam-related fraud by introducing harsher penalties than those available under existing laws. The bill is expected to be introduced in Parliament next week. The decision was taken during a cabinet meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Parliament House complex. The move came a day after the Prime Minister announced that the government would introduce stronger legal measures to tackle examination paper leaks and protect the future of students. In a video message released around midnight on 23rd July, Modi confirmed that a bill containing provisions for strict action against paper leaks would be introduced in Parliament. The proposed law is expected to include mechanisms for faster prosecution of offenders, including dedicated fast-track courts to ensure speedy disposal of examination fraud cases. The development comes amid a political controversy over the alleged NEET question paper leak and repeated disruptions in Parliament, with opposition parties demanding accountability and discussions on examination irregularities. The issue has also gained attention following the emergence of the Crore Janata Party as a youth-led movement after allegations of paper leaks in major competitive examinations, particularly NEET. The movement later expanded its demands to include accountability for examination irregularities and the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. India already has the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2024, which came into force in June 2024 to prevent cheating and paper leaks in public examinations conducted by organizations including the Union Public Service Commission, Staff Selection Commission, National Testing Agency, banking recruitment agencies, and other central authorities. Under the 2024 law, offences related to organized paper leaks are classified as cognizable, non-bailable, and non-compoundable offences. The Act provides imprisonment ranging from 3 to 10 years depending on the nature of the offence, along with fines of up to 1 crore rupees for organized crimes. The law also allows penalties against service providers involved in unfair practices and allows recovery of examination-related costs. The newly approved cabinet bill is expected to further strengthen these provisions by increasing punishments and ensuring faster trials. The centre's move comes as it seeks to restore confidence in India's examination system following a series of high-profile paper leak cases. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.